Alright guys, I'm just going to be singing 50 Nifty, the whole song. But yeah, here we go. 50 Nifty United States from the 13 original colonies. 50 nifty stars in the flag that billows so beautifully in the breeze. Each individual state contributes a quality that is great. Each individual state deserves a bow. We salute them now. 50 nifty United States from the 13 original colonies. Shout 'em, scout 'em, tell all about 'em. One by one, we've given a day to every state in the USA. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, woohoo! Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming, North, South, East, West, for a common objected opinion. Indiana is the best of the 50 nifty United States from the 13 original colonies. Shout 'em, scout 'em, tell all about 'em. One by one, they've given a day to every state in the USA. Okay guys, I just want y'all to know that I am just a little bit sick. So it's not gonna sound that good, but I promise you my singing is really good. Like, once I get better and feel better, I promise you guys and girls out there, I will sing for you guys when I get better. I will sing. And you guys, I will prove to you guys that my singing is really good. Okay guys, peace out.